Hello guys, welcome to Coders Coding. Today we are going to discuss about the Python if-else statements. Okay, if-else statement is used to for decision making. I take an example and then we will see how it will works. Now a30 and I have take a b variable as a 30. If a greater than b, if the condition is true, the code under the if block runs. Else it will go under the else block run. So see here I have to take a printf. If a greater than b, then a is greater than b. If it is not, it will go the else block. So if a equal to b, so printf what I have to here, a and b are the equals. So here I get a error. Let's see, debug the code. What is the error? We know. So I think so here we will see the line number 1, it's showing most recent call error. Then I will check okay, if I give like this, then rerun the code, see where the mistake. So it will say that if a greater than b. Okay, here getting the error. So I run the code and check a and b both are equals. Now coming back, if else if both are not satisfied, then I go with else block. Print what I have to give here, both are not not satisfied the condition. Now I run the code. I will give some modification here, b as in 301, and then run the code. Here I have forget printf within the parenthesis, the text always be in double quotation. Now run the code, then see both are not satisfied. Now you get some clarity on, right?